Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. So if you guys are following my content, I have been very bullish on crypto, and I have been making these predictions that a lot of them have actually been doing what I thought they would do, just following along with the technical analysis. Now, I'm very familiar that a lot of people here on YouTube are very bearish, and they've had much lower predictions, looking at the technicals for some reason, saying that things are going to go down much lower. And it's playing out a bit differently than they thought. So they're all changing their stories around. But as far as this channel goes, we stick with our stories. We stick with our theories, and we keep you guys updated on a daily basis here. So what we're looking at here is exactly what we were saying yesterday. We're going to be coming up within this C wave after we had completed this larger wave 2 that had been to the downside, and then we've been correcting within a wave 3 now. So that's exactly what we're looking at this moment. We managed to actually go right into our green square here that's above our 50% Fibonacci level, using the Fibonacci retracement from within this first wave that goes from the 52-week low of Ethereum, where Ethereum's price was under $900, and then it quickly went up over a period of 2 months to complete this first wave that had taken the price of Ethereum up to above $2,000. So between a little less than $900 to $2,000 in 2 months, and now we've retraced over a period of about 2 months, and now what we're seeing is we're seeing that next turnaround here. So this wave 3 is going to be one that is going to have a lot of possibilities within it. And if you guys have been following the content, I've been talking a lot about this falling wedge here. How I was talking about how we were in this ascending wedge, and within this ascending wedge, we were going to break out of it, and we're going to break out of this trend line within this C wave, and within this trend line, which is all part of the falling wedge pattern that we've been in with Ethereum, just like we were in with Bitcoin. We've now managed to actually break out of this. So things with Ethereum are now very bullish that it's managed to actually break out of this falling wedge pattern. This is where it's been since its all-time high that we saw with Ethereum, and it's come down within 5 waves. And then we completed that 5th wave at the 52-week low of Ethereum. And that's where this new pattern has formed. Our wave 1, our wave 2, and now we're going up within that wave 3. So the nice thing is when things work out this way, now, of course, things could go bearish again, but right now, this is how things are looking. This is what we're looking at right now. This is how things are looking. Now, I know people are saying that there's going to be more bear market to come. And yeah, that's quite possible. But as long as these prices don't change lower than where we're at within this wave 2, then at that point, this wave 3 will still go on until it completes. So this could be something that can go well into next year for the wave 3, or it can be something that could be quick. We don't know exactly when it's going to complete. I mean, we're looking at some of these the first wave and the second wave. Let's take 2 months to complete. The wave 3 could be 3 months, 4 months. Who knows how long it's going to be taking? We're looking at a year that we've come down within 5 waves. So from this point, this is where things are going to be getting very interesting. I think this wave 3 can be something that can go up all the way up to possibly $3,000, if not more. If it was going to go and retrace more than our 4th wave here, or if it was to retrace our 4th wave from the downside, that could take the price of Ethereum all the way up to around $3,600 as a possibility. Now, of course, ignore the wave 4 and the wave 5 that I have here. Those are irrelevant at this moment because really we got to work up to the wave 3 first. But that price of $3,000, I would say, is that possibility that we could be getting to first. And this could be something that might be coming here over the next 2, 3, 4 months to actually complete. Now, something else that's worth looking at right now is our bull market support band. As you can see here, that Ethereum has now managed to pump right up into the middle of this bull market support band. And if Ethereum is able to get on the other side of this bull market support band, it's got to pump up to a price of around $1,600 to do such. And in that case, if it was able to do that, then we can possibly be seeing some much larger price movements with Ethereum after it is able to surpass that. Now you can see that this bull market support band, Ethereum has been on the other side of this falling wedge pattern, and then just recently this bull market support band had started to move its way out, and now that we're seeing the price of Ethereum outside of this and moving up towards that bull market support band, we could possibly be seeing some much larger price movements, especially like how we were seeing back when we had completed our fifth wave when we were moving to the upside back in October of 2021, and where we topped out with Ethereum at our all-time high. There was a pretty good distance between the price of Ethereum and that bull market support band, and if we're able to get on the other side of this, then possibly we're going to be seeing some much larger price movements now that we've managed to actually break out of this trend line here. So if we're able to maintain the price above this trend line and Ethereum doesn't fall back within it, which it's going to have much more resistance if it does fall back within it, if it's able to stay on the outside of this and get up to the other side of this bull market support band, we're probably going to be seeing some much larger price movements with Ethereum. And that's why this wave 3, it could be a possibility of seeing this retracement happen within these next couple months, next 3-4 months even, if it was able to complete by that time. Now, at the moment, it's very important that Bitcoin tries to hold on to its current Fibonacci level that it's at right now, trying to be above this 50% Fibonacci level that's at the price of 1460. So we're seeing a lot of volatility right now, and that's to be expected because there has been such a significant price pump over the period of just a couple hours. But if Bitcoin is to fall through this, then we might be seeing a much more steep decline within the price. So just keep that in mind. But all in all, I mean, it's great that we have been seeing this price pump in general, and that Ethereum did manage to break through that 50-day moving average. So at the moment, those are kind of like the key things right now, is to at least try to stay within that 1460 price. Hopefully we start to see the price move more. But also, if Ethereum is able to continue to stay on the outside of this trend line, because there's a good possibility of seeing some much larger price movements to the upside, and that would help us get up to within this this bull market support band, and then of course create more distance between itself and those moving averages. So a lot of resistance at this 100-day moving average, which is at a price that's around $1,500. So we were seeing it pump up to that level, but good amount of resistance at that 100-day moving average, and that's what's holding us back as well. So anyways, that's the update for Ethereum. I'll keep you guys updated every single day with what the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum does, and then of course many of the other altcoins as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next cryptocurrency video coming out right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.